Okay, so I wanted to show everybody this cheap Ikea Malm 2-drawer dresser, the really small ones. You saw the photo of it, it's like $40. But I bought these kind of large drawer pulls, and these are fairly long. I think these are close to 10 inches long. And let's pull one out. Got these from Amazon. Gotta do this with one hand. These are solid, I believe, stainless steel. They're well made, they're very thin, and they're really nice. Like I said, Amazon, Southern Hill Cabinet Hardware. Really good looking. But once you put these on the IKEA 2-drawer Malm dresser, you'll see the end product. This actually turns it into something that is very nice. You can actually get these in gold also, which makes it look incredibly, makes the cabinet at the end look very expensive. But this is a sleek, modern type of door pull.